Kublai pi barok ngi pedang snobhai pi chgathuk khubor menta ga janmit shwaban phai shigi khubor ki babnya ngi pechwai ki mat bakongsan Khot u Dr. Mukul Sangma ya ka MDA ka sarkar bom khoj dawa ban penlong da ka jing tokit halor ka jing le thok jaka Penrem usachin pilot ya ka seng BJP bat ki seng sinrop halor ka jing bomla ban pen urlong ya ka jing kular Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi ula kentiu ika than chate lamni ni Shaki Kudan Bakam Shaneng Ong Ukonrat Sangma Balahap ban pen sangye no shwa ika jing thap vote haso yong hadien ka jing khlat no jongba HDR lingdo Ki khubor ki babnya Unong yalam kalyang persha ubalong ru unong yalam ka seng TMC Dr. Mukul Sangma hene ka sngi ula kanoi ka sarkar MDA balalam khmat de ka seng NPP ya ka jingdon kti ka jong u ban luti hadu shis pa sau folklore tingka na ka jala da ka jing thiet ya praspa hneu akar ka jaka hamau padang ka badan ha East Khasi Hills District haba ai jing kren chikilat pathai khubor ha ka office trekam ka seng TMC ha shillong hene ka sngi Usangma ula khot ya ka sarkar MDA kum ka Meghalaya Deceitful Alliance namar ka jingle butu jongka ya kinong shong shnong jongka mau padang dong mau khanu da ka jing thiet ya ka jaka na kinong khayi jaka ha ka dor prapusan dingka shi square feet katba ka dor bashisha bla thiet na kinong shong shnong ka long sau pusan dingka shi square feet Shushu ula kano bayakani ka rai layo jingbit na ka cabinet ka jala ha ka sautarek risaw arhajar phuwei da ka badawa bandon do da ka jing tokit da ki kin hon sarkar pedeng ha ka ne ka jingle thok ha ka yadi ke the jaka usangma ula ong ba udon ka jingkerman ba ka sarkar pedeng kan shim khia yakine ki jingkno wala ukam bakam don kanu ka sabut ban kershan yakine ki jingkno
of a land which comes to around 807 acres and which were purchased from the residents of Mapadang Maukanu village at the rate of 45 rupees per square feet, for which the government ultimately paid to the middleman a very highly inflated rate of rupees 85 per square feet. Meaning, the government has embarked upon this modus operandi to have their middlemen purchase the land, duping the landowners, innocent villagers, at a throwaway price of rupees 45 and made a payment of rupees 85 per square feet to their middlemen.
Menteri Sarkar Barim ubalong ru unong yalam ka seng Congress usachin pilot henegasngi ulakan thwa ha ka seng BJP na ka jing bamla ka jongka ban pur ulong ye ki jingkular wala kala yo ban thau sarkar ha ka sarkar pedeng bar ka sarkar jala ha ki ni kisans nem balale haba ai jing kren chikilat pathai ha ke ni kasngi ha shilong upailat ula ong baga jing kiu dor ki mar ki mata baga jing duna ha kilat yo kam yo jam ki danglong ki mat bakong santam ha ka jala Meghalaya baga ri hi baro ko we barula bu jing kali ha khmat ka seng BJP baga sarkar MDA halor ka jing bamla ka jongki ban wat lat watlanti ha ka baye dei bat kini ki mat Daka bakam baga seng Congress ka jupin urlong ya ki jingkular upailat ula ong ba kini ki dikhot ba thammai hapo ka jingalam jong uvinsin pala kinwanra ya ka sarkar ka bakhoi basuba ha ka jala upailat ula ong ru bagen sa thaw ya ka school ba ha ka jala banwanra ya ki subject jing puli ban pinyo jing start jo ka juk menta ban pinyo ikilat yo kam yo jam dara ka Congress ka yo ban thaw sarkar haringkat ka jing pinyo kam yo jam ya ki ye iwei dikhot na ka wei ki long yeng ha Meghalaya ling ba ka mass entrepreneurship Shosho lakdoru yaki we kimat baga seng jongu kan sakhmi bnya kata kabaya dei beki kam jongo kai perthai ka rap ka ryang ka digital marketing kimat ki baya dei bat ki samla bar ki jingle kai sport haring kat ki we
the country is facing the highest unemployment ever recorded unemployment rate. These are all government figures. So therefore on all these indices the BJP and NDA government have actually failed in performance. They may be good on rhetoric, they may be good on media management, on spending money, but on the ground delivery, the BJP has actually failed in its performance. The Congress has a different track record. I don't want to go to history, but Dr. Manmohan Singh's government and this government, if you compare, 140 million people were lifted out of poverty. And today what we're seeing in government of India, BJP, is that the gap between rich and poor has become almost unscalable. It has become so much.
Menteri Rangba ka jela ukadrat ke sangma ula ai ka jingiro. Yo Menteri Rangba do kari Narendra Modi barula ong bo udon ka jingburam ba ka jing iet yo Modi. Da ka ba ong bo Menteri Rangba do ula kentiau yo ka than chate lamingi shaki kerdan ba khamshaneng. Haka jinga kren jung u bat unong pathai kubor ka DD India u Vishal Baristu haka constituency jung u ha South Tura u sangma ula penpau ba ka NPP ka kloy ban thau sarkar sinrop lang hadien jong ka election.
The Honorable Prime Minister is somebody I deeply respect. He has been somebody who has shown a lot of care for the Northeast region and for our state also. We have received a lot of support from him in the last 5 years. So definitely the respect and the love is always there. He was always very close with my late father also. So all that relationship is always there. These are election times, so of course every party will say their own things and will make statements in the election campaign. That happens, but I'm sure that even in the future, as we go forward and in the next 5 years, we will still continue to get the support from the Honorable Prime Minister.
Ya ka jing thap vote ha Soyong constituency la ha ban pensangi no shwa hadien ka jing klat bakin det jong menteri ki kampo yeng barim barukir tong ka seng UDP uba HDR lingdo uba lingdo ula klat no ha Bethany Hospital Shillong hinin ka janmit na ka jing shitom cardiac arrest ka jing thap vote na ka benta ki election shaka yeng darbar thawan kan long ha ki san phu khandai tli ki constituency lat no ka Soyong constituency u Chief Electoral Officer uba FR Kharkungor ulaong baya katarik na kabenta ka jing thap vote ha Soyong Assembly constituency on saben penapat hadin da ka Election Commission of India laban kedo ba uba lingdo ula syarem na Soyong constituency kum ukertong ka seng Congress House nem arah jakat pra ula penyaso elade sya ka seng UDP hashwa ban penbena ya katarik ban penlong ya ki election ha ka arpenyo tarik uremphang da ka jing kermen ban yo akni abiang ya ka syuki na ukertong ka seng NPP uba Samlen Malngyang ya ke election common platform na kabenta ki prangut ki kertong na Nongstoin Assembly constituency la penlong hinin kasngi hayo Nongstoin da kador barshnong new Nongstoin hakaba baro ki kertong kilai don lang bat kilai pensngawi la ki jongki matre kam jongki na kabenta ka ni ke election banwan shaka yeng dor bar thawan ka jala ki kertong ki blaya shim benta ha kani ka jingalang ki kenthop yo kertong ka seng UDP uba Polster Nongset u kertong ka AITC uba Macmillan Bukharbani u kertong ka seng Congress uba Gabriel Walang u kertong ka seng HSPDP uba Sanjit K Shangrit u kertong ka seng BJP uba Diosar Jindyang u sitting MLA uba Longru u kertong ka seng NPP uba Macmillan Bersat u kertong ka seng VPP uba Bobby Kharshandi bat u kertong Light Lloyd u ba Stain Binel Wanyang mentapat ngini pet ya jinglong jingman kasin beneng hasilong kajing shit kalong r degree celsius ba kajing kret kalong shipo point khandai degree celsius kajing sngam ka hau kalong hneu pusan na kashis pa man step bat san pu r na kashis pa janmit kajing hap slap hinin kasngi kalong 0.9 mm kala bandan kajing hap slap bamalumala hakikat tu kat ni ki jaka Hashwa bangin penkut ngipen kan mau ya pi baik ni ko khubor nalor ka ba PUE ke television pila aru ban pe live ha ka YouTube channel jong ka DD News Shillong na ka benta ki khubor ba malakasngi pila aru ban pe ka khubor jong ka DD News Shillong ha Instagram Facebook ba Twitter Shwa ban poi ka bukut jong ka thup khubor ngi ne pe byang sai shi se ni kimat ba kongsan Khot u Dr. Mukul Sangma ya ke MDA ka sarkar bom khoi dawa ban penlong da ka jing tokut halor ka jing le thok jaka penrem usachin pilot ya ka seng BJP bat ki seng senrap halor ka jing bomla ban pen urlong ya ka jing kulat Menteri Rangba do kari Narendra Modi ulakan tiu ka than chate lammingi shaki kedan bakham shaneng ong ukonrat ki sangma Balahap ban pensangye no shwai ka jing thap vote ha Soyong hadien ka jing klat no jongba HDR lingdo ka Meghalaya kan thap vote ha ka arphunyo tarik uremphang na kalyang ka dudarshan ngi kentu ya baro kinong pet ban pendan kam hok ya ka hok thap vote bat bandan bentalang ha ka sanchar pat ba ti parlok ka tung ila poisha ka bakut jeng ka thup khubor jengi menta ka janmit hadu bangi dei shambyang bat phi la shai ka sngi kuble phi baro
अरे आजकल वो एड नहीं आती ना, रिकमेंडेड वर्ल्ड वाइड वर्ल्ड्स नंबर